find the love within. I came back to let you know that I think for you, and I can't let go.
Kombo, the city that never sleeps. From sunrise to sunset, youths are out chasing survival, but these days the hustle feels different. The heat is stronger and the rain is falling in November. This is something we never used to see. Everyone has something going on. Some sell on the streets, some ride motorbikes, some run small shops. Everyone is trying to build a life out of nothing. But the truth is, youth unemployment is still high. Almost half of the young people are without stable jobs. That is why we hustle, because sitting at home is not an option. Even the weather feels different now. Some days the sun burns like fire, other times rain floods the streets in minutes. Climate change isn't just a story on the news, it's right here in our neighborhoods. When it rains, small vendors lose goods. When it's too hot, power cuts make it worse. It's all connected. Our hustle depends on climate too. And just when you think the dry season is here, it rains in November. That's not normal. It's another sign that things are changing faster than we expect. For some, it brings joy, break from the heat. But to others, it's a loss of goods, flooded roads. But even with all these struggles, Gambian youths don't give up. We adapt, we innovate. Some started small businesses, others learning tech, and others joining climate change programs. The energy is here. What we need is the support, training, and opportunity. Kombo is more than chaos. It is energy, ambition, and survival. If we invest in our youth, in their ideas, their skills, and their future, the Gambia will rise. The time to act is now. For climate, for jobs, for hope.